I think there's a misconception that all a CISO needs to do is buy the correct security software, hand it off to the IT department for install, and then walk away. But unfortunately, this is not the correct approach. Have you ever heard the phrase, a watched pot never boils? I think a cybersecurity program is the exact opposite. Without continuous, intense scrutiny, the plan is not going to succeed. We found that it's impossible to implement new security processes across an entire organization at once. The fact is, each branch, each department, each team is going to have unique challenges, and each one is going to have a manager that's going to have to cooperate with this new plan. In a situation like this, what you need is a roadmap. For example, the NIST security framework has 1,000 separate security controls. So making a plan about when each of these controls is going to be implemented by which team and having an assigned date for when each one is supposed to be accomplished by is going to be an enormous undertaking. And even when you have this plan in place, the fact is none of the different managers or teams that you need to collaborate with are going to report to the IT department or to the CISO. So what you need is executive sponsorship and executive scrutiny to make this plan enforceable. We found the best approach is to have a quarterly meeting with those executive stakeholders so you can celebrate the wins, but also apply pressure to the teams that are falling behind. This is something that our clients in all sectors are using, and this approach is rooted in cyber risk quantification so that they can build and execute on their cybersecurity roadmaps. I'm curious how you guys are building and enforcing your cybersecurity roadmaps, so please leave a comment below.